The research methodology will discuss the design of the research project. The qualitative method is what I chose for this study because there wasn't much already existing on the topic. And this design pairs with the induction method because I will be gathering data through interviews, interpretive philosophy because the data will be evaluated subjectively, and exploratory research because it will be incorporating existing literature along with identifying correlations between the variables. The research instrument will be a semi-structured interview that is designed to be 20 to 25 minutes, and the questions are targeted towards chefs and other kitchen staff members. I would suggest including a survey for culinary students when expanding this study. This would be a self-completed survey, about 10 questions, which should only take about 10 minutes, that would be distributed to be completed by the students, similar to a teacher's evaluation at the end of the semester. I chose to use non-probability sampling. The homogeneous sampling is because I will be using a specific group of people, chefs and other kitchen staff members. They will be part of the sample group as they volunteer to do so. The interview questions and survey questions will be pilot tested for validity and reliability. After they have been pilot tested, they will be revised and edited based on the feedback. The data collection and analysis method for the interviews will be a qualitative approach. The recordings will be transcribed and then broken down into categories based on terms used within the industry and by the participants. The units of data will then be evaluated for their relationship with other variables. These will be compared to the research objectives. The data and analysis collection for the survey would be done using a quantitative approach. Again, this is just a suggestion for furthering the study. The method would be to develop a codebook for each of the responses, including missing data. Then, a spreadsheet would be filled out for each individual's response of data. After it has been checked for accuracy of inputting the data, then it will be calculated to represent the student population among culinary students. I anticipate that the results of this study will show that not everyone is subject to drug and alcohol abuse, and hopefully that it will expose what certain characteristics of each individual makes them vulnerable to this situation.